Exploring the sounds of nature, the mystery of gurgling water. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase, gurgling water. Understanding this phrase not only helps in language learning but also connects us with the beautiful sounds of nature. Let's dive in and discover the essence of this phrase together. Gurgling is a word that describes a specific sound, often associated with liquids. It's the sound water makes when it moves or flows in an uneven, bubbly manner. Imagine a small stream flowing over rocks, or water going down a drain. The sound is soft, rhythmic, and often soothing. It's a word that paints a vivid auditory picture in English. When we combine gurgling with water, we get a phrase that perfectly encapsulates the natural sound of moving water. Gurgling water could refer to a variety of scenarios: a brook in a forest, a fountain in a garden, or even water in a pipe. It's a phrase often used in literature and everyday language to describe a peaceful, natural setting. To understand how gurgling water is used in English, let's look at some examples. 1. I could hear the gurgling water of the stream behind the house. 2. The gurgling water in the fountain created a relaxing atmosphere in the garden. 3. As I listened to the gurgling water, I felt a sense of calm. Notice how the phrase sets a scene or contributes to the imagery in these sentences. Learning phrases like gurgling water is crucial in English because they enrich communication. They add depth and vividness to descriptions and conversations. Understanding such phrases helps non-native speakers better appreciate English literature, movies, and everyday conversation. And that's all about gurgling water. I hope this video has helped you understand and appreciate this beautiful phrase. Remember, language learning is not just about grammar and vocabulary, it's also about embracing the culture and imagery that comes with the language. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.